कसे बोलायचे, असे कसे बोलायचे न बोलता आता, तुझ्या सवे तुझ्या विना असायचे आता.
डोळ्यात या रोज तुला जपायचे रे आता, सांग जरा असे कसे लपायचे हे आता.
मन धागा धागा जोडते नवा, मन धागा धागा रेशमी दुआ, मन धागा धागा जोडते नवा, मन धागा धागा रेशमी दुआ.
रोज बहाणे नवे शोधून मी थकते, तुझ्याच मागे मन येऊनही चुकते.
क्षण आतुर आतुर झाले, रोज काहूर काहूर नवे, मन धागा धागा जोडते नवा, मन धागा धागा रेशमी दुआ.
Hi. So today I'm going to talk about my wife, Suchita. I mean, we first met, I think, on 17th November 2019, and it was a very lucky day for me. I mean, I got this proposal when I was visiting Ashtavinayak temples. So I'm very fortunate and I'm thankful to Ganpati Bappa as well. So on I think 17th November, it was Saturday, when we met the very first time, and I saw her personally very first time, and I was like, she's really beautiful, she's really amazing, and it's very true. But as it was the very first time, so we both were very nervous, and even I was not knowing how to make. It was just one thing that I just want to make her comfortable, because it was our first meet, and we know that first impression is going to be a good one. So I think we went we met, and we went to Thane. I mean, the walk, Hiranandani State, Thane. So we spent few hours over there, and we spent some time to get to know each other. And at that point of time, I just felt that connect, because there are very very things which I think, and the same way she thinks. So that was the plus point. And she's very caring, she's very helpful, she's very loving, and she's multi-talented as well, same like me. Okay, so here, I mean, just sharing those thoughts, I was like, okay, she's the best for me, and I think I should select. But still, I just went through few more question and answer session just to make sure she is also comfortable with me. It was not the one person view, so it was just the way it happened, and then everything went well, and it was, I think, positive answer from her end. And I guess on 1st December 2019, the answer from my end was yes. At that time, I have given her a special token of love. I think she would remember that. It was like a cake, and a small piece of cake written that welcome to my family. And then this process started, and the engagement was there in January, and today getting married during this pandemic is again a tough time, but eventually we both have come ahead in this long journey. and we have connected a lot, and it was really amazing journey throughout this till today, and I think it would be better from now onwards. So that's it from my end.
You opened the door, the light came rushing in. I suddenly saw a brand new beginning, a beautiful hope, a reason to believe. It's what you give to me. All I know when I'm with you, this life is better. Everything as it should be when we're together. You and me will see it through. Oh, I know it's true. This life is better when I'm with you. Ready to go with all the lies before us, and all that we know will guide us through the night. A beautiful hope, a reason to believe is what you give to me.
So this is my journey from being Miss Shanbag to Mrs. Nayak. So I met Mr. Bhagesh Nayak on 17th of November 2019. So like my this is an arranged marriage. So my parents brought this rishta for me, and I was like, the first thing was, where is he from? Because for me, I never wanted to get settled after marriage in Thane itself. My first priority was moving out of Thane, either out of Mumbai or at least in Mumbai though. But my mom was like, the rishta is good, his family is good, meet once. So we met on 17th of November 2019. Yeah, prior to that, we did exchange our numbers. We had a couple of discussions a day or so. Later on, we met, and I was really nervous. Me being an introvert girl, meeting an unknown guy for the first time, that too alone, was something really very nervous for me. But when I met him, he made every efforts to make me feel comfortable. So yeah, we met for an hour or so, and when I met him, when I discussed things with him, I thought that we gel along together a lot. I mean, our thinkings match, the way we take scenarios into the things that we think about do match. I never had an image of my future to be. My mom always used to tell me ki never create an image that you want your future husband to be, because then if it doesn't match, you would, even if you have a good thing, you always keep on comparing. So I never had something ki I want aisa guy ya aisa ladka hona chahiye ya aisa dikhna chahiye ya aisa hona chahiye. The only thing was, I wanted someone who would understand me, who would be with me in my good, in my bad, understand me and my family too. So that was the thing about. So when I met him first, I thought he's someone who would understand me, he's someone who would be with me, he's someone who would take care of me as well as my family. Then we got engaged, like the things went on. We got engaged on 26th of Jan 2020. Post engagement, our prior the marriage date was decided in the month of May, but due to this pandemic it got postponed and delayed, and we were like ki kaise hoga, kab hoga. And once the lockdown got opened, our family decided we'll have like a intimate kind of wedding, and we decided it on 26th of July 2020. Then again there was a lockdown in our area, so it was very hustle bustle wala shopping, hustle bustle wala a week for us from 20th of July to 26th of July. How things would go on, we weren't even able to shop on properly for the function, because due to this pandemic the things weren't there, out of stock, all of those stuff. But somehow our family, our both family, with mutual understanding, we could successfully finish our function अच्छे से on 26th. So now I have been from Suchita to Anika Bhagesh Nayak from 26 July 2020. So yeah, I came from a nuclear family. His family is a joint family. So for me, coming from a nuclear family to a joint family I was a bit tensed for it. But then they accepted me like their daughter. They gave me a lot of love. The most precious thing of me getting married, if I would say as a gift, would be Aji, because me from my childhood I haven't got love from my grandparents. Like when I was born, they passed off earlier, so I was deprived of the love of the grandparents gift. So always my friends used to say my dadi loves me, my nani loves me, and vice versa. But when I came into Nayak's family, Aji was the one who loved me a lot. She always calls me her own daughter and not her daughter-in-law. So getting love from her was the best part of this journey, I would say. And I really hope we are able to manage together like a happy ending kind of a life. Also, I would like to thank my parents because they have supported me entirely till date, for my good and my bad. They've always given me their own support. So I would really like to thank my mom, my dad, my bro. He's always been there whenever I needed. That's it. Thank you.
So a few more things I would like to share about Suchita is, when we discussed, she was like she's also ready to take responsibility. As she said that she's coming from a nuclear family, and my family is a big family, joint family, and I'm the elder one. So I have more responsibility towards everyone, and she was ready to share that. So that was the positive point again, and I know we both can manage easily, and that was very much plus points. And again, as we know that it was this wedding was in in lockdown mode, so there was not a grand one, but it was actually a the way we wanted an intimate one and a grand event among our close ones. I know the few friends and relatives are missing though, but that's okay. We have shown them the telecast and they are happy too. So I would finally like to thank both Shanbag family and my whole family, because coming out in such a tough situation and getting us married in in such kind of situation is very, very difficult, and this was the decision taken by both of the family mutually. So that was our biggest support, and hope it will continue for our rest of the journey. Thank you so much.